Online arbitrage for Amazon FBA involves buying products from online retailers at a lower price and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. Here's a concise guide. Research products. Use tools like Keepa, Jungle Scout, and Helium 10 to identify profitable products. Look for items with a high sales rank, stable price history, and good profit margins. Source products. Visit online retailers like Walmart, Target, and clearance sections of various e-commerce websites. Use price comparison tools to find the best deals. Ensure that the products are not restricted or gated on Amazon. Analyze profitability. Calculate potential profit by considering the purchase price, Amazon fees, shipping costs, and any taxes. Use FBA calculators to determine your net profit. Purchase and ship to yourself. Buy the products and have them shipped to your address. Ensure they are in new condition and match the Amazon listing description. Prep and label products. Follow Amazon's guidelines for labeling and preparing products. Use Amazon barcode labels and ensure proper packaging. Create a shipment plan. In Amazon Seller Central, create a shipment plan. Enter the product details and quantities. Print and attach shipping labels to your boxes. Ship to Amazon fulfillment centers. Send your prepared products to Amazon FBA warehouses. Monitor shipment tracking to ensure they arrive safely. Manage inventory and repricing. Regularly monitor your inventory levels and use your pricing tools to stay competitive. Adjust prices to maximize profit and ensure steady sales.